What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and this is going to be a early look and on feet of the Air Jordan 1 High in the Marina blue colorway that is set to release February 16th for the price tag of $170. It is a true to size sneaker. If you guys are looking into getting these, maybe these are your first pair of Jordan 1s, your first pair of Jordans period. Yes, you could go true to size, so whatever size you wear, go ahead and go for that size on the sneakers app or wherever it is that you are going to try and attempt to buy these. Anyway, man, I am going to be comparing the leather grain quality from the pollens to these, because I believe people think that the Marinas and these are somewhat alike. But before I get started, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. And to the people that go the extra mile to hit the like button, it helps this channel get out there. It really does. A lot of people just don't take the time to hit the like button. If you guys can, please hit the like button. It really will help this channel out a lot. As you guys leave the video, that's it, just smash the thumbs up button. That's all I ask for. Also, let me know your opinions and comments down below. Make sure you guys give me some feedback. Let me know what you think about the shoe. Let me know if you're gonna pick it up. Let me know if you're excited for it, so on and so forth. I would love to read the comments, and I'm sure other people want to read your comments as well. Anyway, man, this did come to me from via the GOAT app. It did come from overseas, up in Hong Kong. I believe these might have already released out there. I know they already released in Europe, but I really don't know what the scene is out there. But yeah, I did pick them up on GOAT app, so that is where I got them from. I actually did the expedited shipping, and it took forever. I should have had this video out maybe like a week ago. Anyway, let's get these cracked open, and that way you guys can check them out. Go unboxing, a little unboxing action. Don't want to show my address, so these suckers out. And here we have them. It's gonna say Air Jordan 1 High, or Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, DK Marina blue, black, white. Like I said, I went true to size, which true to size for me is a size 9. There you guys see the tag, and of course it doesn't have a suggested retail price tag, and that is because it did come from overseas. So overseas the currency runs a little bit different, so that's why it doesn't have that. I'm surprised it didn't have a Chinese stamp right here. It usually has this big old sticker, but I guess it's gonna have this right here. This pair is from Hong Kong, like I did state, it did come from Hong Kong. And yeah, just because you guys are getting sneakers from Hong Kong does not automatically make them fake. Obviously all sneakers come from China. That's where they are produced, if you guys did not know. So yeah, there's huge resellers out in Hong Kong. There's also a bunch of Nike retailers. Dude, just because it's coming from overseas does not mean it is fake. Just letting you guys know so you guys don't freak out. Here you're going to have a stamp or a lot number right here on this top corner. There you guys see that lot number, that stamp right there. Everything looks pretty good. As far as the eyes can see, here you guys have this little authentication card. Just a bunch of BS that GOAT sends you. GOAT sticker here. I really wanted to, I used my credit that I had on my GOAT app for you guys, so we could get these early for you guys. So another reason why you should hit the like button. But here it is, man. That was kind of rude of me. I opened them before I even showed you guys, but here is the shoe right here, and it's already looking pretty good. Let me take them out of the box for you guys. There you guys have the paper right there. Also, there's not going to be no more, what is it, the YDM sticker? Yeah, there's no YDM sticker, guys. There's no QC sticker. Just by looking at the shoe right now, just first time staring at these, the grain of leather is, I would say it is, I'd say it's a little bit softer than the pollens, just a little bit softer. It almost looks like I got the Royal Ones in my hands right now. Like, I do have the Royal Ones sitting in the back over here, but yeah, the collar is gonna be this very plush quality, man. Just very nice grain of leather around the collar of the shoe, and yes, it feels very, very nice. Somewhat similar to the Shadow, maybe the Shadow Jordan 1s from 2017. This one right here also has that quality or that look, but the texture is not the same. This is a little bit harder, just kind of like that fake pebbled grain that they use to sell the sneaker. And these right here are just looking good, dude. Like, you feel the collar right here, and you can just, yeah, they're super soft. The collar is actually very, very soft. So the grain of leather on this sneaker is actually a lot nicer, I would say. Yes, because yeah, definitely the Pollens have like this very fake pebble grain of leather, and I feel like the Marina Blues actually have a little bit of a better grain when it comes to your leathers. So anyway, man, I'm gonna take this shoe tree out, and we are going to feel the toe box area. And as far as the toe box area, I mean, I'm already feeling it. It feels pretty decent. Not the best quality, but you know, it feels pretty nice. It's not too bad. It's nothing crazy. I definitely would recommend going after this shoe. I think the shoe's dope. I think it's such a simple colorway, easy enough to just rock, you know. I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you guys think. I think this shoe is very nice, dude. Like, as far as like, oh man, it smells so good, dude. Air Jordan 1 smell, man. It's nothing gets better. I feel like the Air Jordan 1 smell isn't like what it used to be though a few years back. I don't know, maybe I'm getting used to the Jordan 1s, but y'all let me know if I'm tweaking. Maybe I'm not, maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys feel the same way. But yeah, this is pretty much a reverse royal. You guys know they did the reverse spreads a few years back in a limited quantity release. I think it was 23,000 pairs. I was lucky enough to hit on a 9.5, and I do still have it in my collection. But yes, let me know what you guys think. Shoe is very, very nice. Like I said, I'm gonna be throwing them on feet for you guys, and you know, you still got your little nylon tongue and your Nike Air. They kept it in the same OG fashion. They didn't put like a leather tab or nothing like that. You got your Air Jordan right here on the side that is inspired by a fighter jet. If you guys did not know, the Air Jordan 1, actually this flight logo is actually inspired by a fighter jet. So yeah, I mean, the shoe is very nice. You got your outsole right here in the Marina blue. I don't know, this is super close to the Royal ones. That, yeah, it's super close to the Royal ones. But I think the shoe is very, very nice, guys. You guys let me know. It will come with spare laces. I will be rocking black laces on my pair. I don't think I will go with the blue laces. I am going to definitely go with black laces. I always like to match the tongue with my sneakers, as I did with the Pollens. So again, a lot of people are thinking that these are going to be something like the Pollens, guys. The colorway is just so much sought after. Of course, you have the bread colorway, and then you got the royal colorway. This is a reverse royal, guys. So I do expect these to do a little bit better than the Pollen, but I just want you guys to kind of enter raffles and just be like, I would definitely go after these full steam ahead, because black and blue is a very popular colorway. Blue and red are probably majority of the world's favorite colors. You know, a lot of people are gonna say blue is their favorite color, and a lot of people are gonna say red is their favorite color. So when it comes to a black and blue sneaker, I believe that it's a very popular sneaker. So yeah, I would get after it if I was you guys. Just make sure you guys enter your raffles. You know, I would say yes, just try your best to get a pair, and hopefully you guys are able to pick a pair up. But anyway, man, let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know if you're gonna pick them up. It's your boy Jay. I just kind of want to do a quick little comparison of grains of leather, and y'all let me know in the comment section down below. I'm about to throw these on feet for you guys. Yeah, let's check them out on feet. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys have not already. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here, man. Take it easy, never sleazy. Saludos, hasta luego, peace.